Greetings, supply chain innovation listeners. Your host, William Crane here. Do you need to identify new suppliers? The reasons can range from supply disruption to cost reduction to timeline compression. Qualifying alternative suppliers that meet our specific needs is time consuming. But like the playbook of a winning football team, IndustryStar supply performance software expands supply options. To better assist supply chain leaders, our team crafted the Supply Base Optimization SBO Playbook. The playbook offers 3 winning plays using our intelligent supplier search and mapping features in our software to accelerate your goals and at zero risk to you. 1, we map your existing and alternative suppliers and identify $200,000 in savings, and you move forward with our software solution. Our $10,000 assessment fee is credited back to you. 2, if you don't move forward with our software solution, you pay our assessment fee and keep our playbook. And 3, if we cannot identify $200,000 in savings, you keep our assessment fee and our savings ideas. Email us at info@industrystar.com to explore if the SBO Playbook could accelerate your supply base optimization goals. Here's to driving supply performance in the days ahead.